The Business Finance Suite is the most comprehensive business financial solution available today. Through the Finance Suite, you can build credit for your business that's linked to your EIN number, not your Social Security number. This business credit doesn't require a personal credit check or personal guarantee for approval, even if you are just starting your company, and even if you have no collateral or cash flow. And with the Finance Suite, you can also get business financing, including loans and credit lines. The suite is actually the only system that combines both business credit and financing to ensure you secure the most amount of money. The Business Finance Suite demystifies the business credit building process by providing you 7 simple steps to build your business credit to obtain high-limit revolving store and cash credit cards quickly. Throughout your Finance Suite journey, you'll only be exposed to the information that's pertinent to you and your business, so you can enjoy a fully customized experience while progressing quickly through your business credit building and financing adventure. In your first step, we help you ensure your business is set up credibly to meet credit issuer approval standards before you even apply. When building business credit, the company name, phone number, address, website, and all other information you enter on your business application must meet credit issuer standards to get approved. By knowing what credit issuers are looking for, you can easily ensure you meet that criteria to have the best chance of approval. Once we help your business pass the credibility test, you can search to see if your business is listed with the business credit reporting agencies already and learn how your business credit reports and scores really work. By understanding your Experian and Equifax commercial credit, as well as your Dun and Bradstreet reports, you'll know how your business credit data is aggregated and learn how to easily build and control your business credit scores. Through the Finance Suite, you'll even get assistance with setting up your free DUNS number with Dun and Bradstreet and get access to free Experian Smart Business data to monitor your business credit building in real time. You'll be able to easily set up paid credit monitoring with the 3 major business reporting agencies if you want even more details about your business credit profiles. You can even fix credit inaccuracies right through the Finance Suite, helping ensure you keep a good business credit profile even if you have blemishes reporting now. The Business Finance Suite provides you with an easy-to-follow, streamlined way to build your business credit. You can get approved with vendor accounts right away, who will issue you initial credit, and sources that report your credit to the business credit reporting agencies, not the consumer agencies. These sources will approve you even with no prior business credit established, and even if you are a brand new startup business, and they offer products and services you'll want and need to grow your business. The Finance Suite also provides you access to a large supply of startup vendors to set up your initial business credit profile and score. And you'll even be able to see which reporting agency each account reports to and the credit issuer's actual underwriting guidelines, so you'll know you can be approved before you even apply. Your business credit profile and score can be established in 60 days or less. Then you are able to use your newly established profile to get approved for real revolving accounts at major stores, all without a personal credit check or guarantee required. Get approved for credit at places like Walmart, Best Buy, Amazon, Dell and Apple, Chevron and BP, Lowe's and Office Depot and Staples, Sam's Club and Costco, and many more. As you start to get approved for revolving store credit, you'll also be able to obtain actual fleet and cash credit with sources including Visa and MasterCard. Approval limits on business credit accounts are typically 10 to 100 times higher than that with consumer credit, so it's common to receive approvals of $5,000, $10,000, or even higher very quickly. And with the Business Finance Suite, you get access to the most cutting-edge technology available for business credit building. Plus, you receive concierge coaching from our certified business advisor team who helps you each step of the way. Plus, you can obtain business loans and credit lines through our vast network of lenders and investors. Most business owners go to their bank when they need money, but according to the Department of Revenue, less than 2% of all business funding actually comes from conventional lenders. Most funding comes from specialized alternative lending sources. This means that even though there is a lot of money available for business owners now, most entrepreneurs just don't know where to go to get it. The Business Finance Suite solves the cash access problem that most business owners face by connecting you with lending sources that offer almost every legitimate business funding product available today. In the Finance Suite, you simply enter your basic business information, and then our cutting-edge technology cross-checks your info against guidelines of an arsenal of investors and lenders to uncover all funding you can qualify for right now. We develop your finance blueprint, and then your own certified finance officer walks you through all of your available funding options and oversees all aspects of the funding process for you. The Finance Suite plugs you into asset-based lenders who offer you rates of 5% or lower, even if you have credit issues. If you have collateral such as a 401k, stocks, inventory, even equipment, you can be approved. You'll also have access to cash flow-based funding programs that can help you get financing if you have consistent revenue going through your bank account now. You can be approved with no collateral and with a FICO score as low as 500. With good credit, you can be approved for even more unsecured financing that doesn't require revenue or collateral. This type of financing is no doc and perfect for businesses that are just getting started or can't provide financials. If you have collateral, consistent cash flow, or good credit, you might qualify now for business financing. And even if you don't have any of these, you can still obtain business credit. And the Finance Suite plugs you into major private investors and alternative SBA sources who can offer you long-term 10-year loans and credit lines if you have financials. You can be approved for $10,000 in funding or millions of dollars in funding based on your own unique scenario. And short-term and long-term financing are both available where you can get your money quickly. The Business Finance Suite solves the cash access problem, getting you unprecedented access to business funding and credit. And you are provided with concierge service for 5 years from your own certified finance officer who's just a call away when you need them, and someone who strives to get you the most money at the best terms. Contact us today to get your own Finance Suite for your business so you can obtain business credit that's linked to your EIN number, not your Social Security number, and get access to business loans and credit lines to start and grow.